In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ElevenLabs credits in just a few minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to the platform, navigating through the process of acquiring credits can sometimes be a bit confusing. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you can easily get the credits you need. Alright, first things first, you'll need to start by opening your web browser. This could be any browser of your choice, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Whatever you feel most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, you'll need to head over to the ElevenLabs website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Now, a quick tip here. Remember that your credits may be refreshed once the next billing cycle begins. If you've run out, you can simply wait for this to happen. However, if you're in need of credits straight away and can't wait for the cycle to renew, you have a great option of upgrading your plan right away. Next, when you're logged in, you'll want to locate the upgrade option. This can usually be found near your name towards the bottom left corner of the screen. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's your gateway to accessing more features and credits through upgrading. Once you've located the upgrade option, go ahead and click on it. By clicking Upgrade, you'll be presented with a range of subscription plans that ElevenLabs offers. Each plan varies in the amount of credits and additional features it provides, so it's worth taking a moment to see which one fits your needs best. When you've decided on the plan that suits you, all you have to do is click the subscribe button right under your chosen plan. Finally, to complete the process, you'll need to enter your payment details. This step is crucial, as it's how your subscription will be processed and your new credits will be added to your account. Make sure to review your payment information carefully before submitting to ensure everything is correct. Once completed, you'll have your new credits ready to use. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully secured your ElevenLabs credits. I hope this guide has been helpful for you, and as always, happy creating with ElevenLabs. Feel free to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on utilizing this powerful platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.